I think every kid on earth has heard these words from a parent. Were you born in a barn? Close the door. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share a simple way to keep the outdoors outside where it belongs right after this. Outdoor concrete projects are quick and easy with Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag. Whether you need to set a fence post, mailbox post, or deck footing, or even pour a backyard patio, Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag makes it simple. To set a post, there's no mixing. Just pour the dry mix into the hole and add water. It sets hard in about 20 minutes and you're done. It's that fast and easy. Quikrete fast-setting concrete. Look for it in the red bag. I know a lot of kids, and to be honest, a few adults too, that have a hard time remembering to close the door behind them. But if you have a gap under your door, that can be just as big a problem. Doors that don't seal properly at the bottom will let in the summer heat as well as dust, pollen, insects, and rodents. Did you know a mouse can get into your home through a gap less than a half-inch wide? A simple door seal is very simple to install, especially if they are self-adhesive. They seal the gap between the door and the threshold. And as a bonus, by sealing the gap, they also conserve energy. Best of all, they won't break the bank since most of them only cost around $5. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.